Welcome to this guided meditation. I invite you to find somewhere comfortable to sit or lay. And we're going to drop into our bodies. We're going to take this moment to focus on ourselves and on our healing. This is a time for you outside of your daily routine to nurture yourself and reconnect with the parts of yourself that you may have lost connection to while you were surviving and adapting to your environment. So if you found somewhere comfortable to sit or lay, feel free to get a blanket. Feel free to get noise cancelling headphones. Do whatever you need to do to make yourself comfortable for the next few minutes uninterrupted. Let's begin by taking a few breaths in. We're going to count to 4 on the inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to hold it for 4, 2, 3, 4, and exhale on the count of 4. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to repeat this sequence a few times. Inhale on the count of 4, hold it for 4, release for 4, and start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it. 2, 3, 4, and exhale. 2, 3, 4. Pay attention to your belly rising on the inhale. Take the breath all the way in through your chest and your belly. Hold it at the top. And exhale out of your belly and out of your chest. Do a few more by yourself. As you continue to breathe, I want you to pay attention to only your breathing and the sensations in your body. Thoughts of the day are going to come and pass by. Imagine there are clouds passing through. You don't have to attach to them. You don't have to interact with them. And we don't have to respond to them. They're just passing by. Our focus remains on the sensations of the inhale and exhale. As you return to your normal breathing, let's dive into the sensations in our bodies right now. Perhaps you're feeling tingling sensations on your feet, perhaps on your hands, through your legs. As you begin to relax into this posture, pay particularly attention to the feeling of your body against the ground that you've chose to lay on. whatever place you've decided to take this meditation, whether that's your bed, a chair, feel how every muscle has comfortably made contact as you sink in deeper. Allow every muscle to relax. Let's take a deep breath in together. And as you exhale, release any tension. The more you stay, the deeper you relax. The more you hear my voice, the more relaxed you feel. Notice your eyelids getting heavier and more relaxed. I want you now to imagine a bright golden light that is coming from the top of your head from source and gently entering your body. As it does so, you feel more and more relaxed and you feel the tension release, and reconnecting to your body feels safe. Start at the top of your head. You might notice brightness behind your eyes as it starts to descend onto your eyes and your eyelids get relaxed. Your eyebrows relax. It continues to move down to your jaws and unclenches your jaw as it relaxes you. Perhaps your tongue was on the roof of your mouth and now relaxes to the bottom. Perhaps your lips open slightly as you feel more relaxed in your face. The bright light continues to move down to your neck, gently relaxing the muscles of your neck, allowing your face to fall where it may, and it gently moves on to your shoulders, and you feel the tension release, and your shoulders get heavier. As the light continues to move through your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Notice if you feel any sensations, any tingling, any warmth in your palms, any heaviness in your arms. And notice if this comes with any emotions, perhaps a sensation, perhaps an urge, perhaps a fear, perhaps a sadness. And know that these emotions are welcome, and your body is showing you what it has been storing in these places for you. And we are just letting it know that it's okay to feel these emotions right now, that this is a safe space, and that at any moment, if this feels too overwhelming, we can just open our eyes and come back to this video another time. Otherwise, the light continues to move down our body as we feel more and more relaxed. It moves down through our heart chakra and lingers there for a moment as it fills us with peace, love, and joy for our body, for carrying us until now. And now we are ready to reconnect. Take a moment to enjoy this feeling, this warmth, this reconnection. The more you breathe in, the more light comes in. And as you breathe out, you let go of what no longer serves you, of everything you've been holding in. And now, gently the light moves down into our belly, into our sacral. And here I invite you to place your hands gently on your stomach. This is a moment of reconnection. This is the part of your body that has held the most protective energy for you. Let's take a moment to say thank you for protecting me. Thank you for holding me, carrying me, and thank you for being there for me quietly in the background without my conscious awareness, for storing all my unwanted feelings, for storing everything that was overwhelming for me to feel. Thank you for holding it here for me. I am now ready to reconnect with you. I am now ready to support you. I am now ready to feel too. I am now ready to let go. Allow the warm light to do what it needs to do, to release the tension here, to bring more positivity, more warmth and love. And allow yourself to reconnect with this part of your body. Notice any sensations you feel there, any heaviness, any bubbly sensations, any release that needs to happen. Let it go. The light continues to move down through your hips, where you feel more and more relaxed. Allow the light to move down towards your legs, and your legs feel heavier and heavier as it continues through your knees, all the way down to your feet. Notice any sensations at the bottom of your feet, any tingling, any warmth. Your whole body now is alive with light, attuned to you, reconnecting with you. Feel the warm welcome as it has been waiting for you to reconnect. It is ready for you to allow it to guide you throughout the day. Notice any sensations your body communicates to you. And don't be afraid to ask, what are you trying to tell me? Enjoy these next few moments of reconnection, intimately, just you and your body again. And now, gently, we're going to come back to our headspace without losing complete connection to our bodies. Gently move your fingers and toes. Notice if the sensations are heightened, any difference you feel from the beginning of this meditation. Gently open your eyes and welcome back to your body.